Hi. Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the new interface. Also, welcome to me actually tracking much more fluidly. It's amazing. Technology. Yes, it's bug time. Yeah. Bug time's gonna be interesting. Not gonna lie. Oh, the shinies and pretties. Yes. Yes. Oh, wait a second. Let me change that quickly as we talk. Yeah, nice. Now I can look at chat and actually look towards you and not to the side. Yes. Hi everyone. Welcome to Guerilla Hollow Knight. Oh. Did you listen to the intro, to the start screen music? Did you realize that it's new? Did you? Just asking. Thank you. I am actually cute. Yes, I got new music for start, BRB, and ending screen. Because that's what we're doing here. Also, yes, here, new interface on that side. Got a new chat, because I need looks a bit better over me. We got all my socials running through, and on the other one, it's the latest follower, latest cheer, latest subscriber. I think that's it. And it's actually still on. Wait, give me a sec. I tested shit and now it looks weird. So now it should actually be correct. There we go. Was watching what's before the stream, so I noticed. Smart. Actually smart. Also, yes, I have a follower and a sub goal up there. So I don't know, just to have it. And also, my tracking is now ridiculously better. I actually... Thing is, I got weak and I bought a secondhand iPhone, like a very old one, for still too much money, actually, if I'm honest. But I now have that on my table, and now my tracking is a lot better. Which is kind of cool, because I now can frown. Because I'm frowning, which is kind of cool. Time to remind people of the horror game Batsu if we reach 300 followers for Halloween. Thanks. I guess. But yeah. Yeah, I also got the event rotator and the follow on the game screen. You will see that in a second. The tracking is really fancy. I now understand how other VTubers have such a really expressive face. Because even now that's really cool. That's amazing. Ooh. Yeah, it's fun. Not gonna lie, it's fun. Tech was fucking me up today, but that feels like VTuber 101. Are you really VTubing if shit is not fucking you over? And I got 2 new things. I actually, again, I know. I again changed the alert look because I wasn't really happy with how it was, and that the text was so horribly readable, and so I got new alert boxes, so if anything happens, you'll see. Yeah, that's it. Oh, also I got a new function only on this one. And I still think I need to work on that, but what we can do in the future before every stream is actually asking the universe how that stream might be or might be going. We can do this. Oh, just as well playing Hollow Knight is kind of funny. But yeah, got this little tarot card thingy. I just realized I need to actually set it up so only I or mods can use it and not everyone all the fucking time. But yeah. Yeah, new alert box, but since nothing is happening, I can't show you that. Other than that, just so we start soonish. What's the set of cards in the command? If I remember correctly, it's just the Major Arcana. Which is more than enough, actually. So yeah. Oh yeah, Hollow Knight. Everyone's playing Silk Song, so everyone's really hyped about Hollow Knight again, which I get. I really get it. But honestly, I never touched Hollow Knight in my life. I think. No. I also don't know any real lore, despite like half-assed shit. I know just like some basics, which mean absolutely nothing to me because I don't know what the context is. I never played it. I only played a bit of Silk Song, and I'm horribly bad at those games. So please keep your expectations very low today, okay? That would be very, very nice. Also, if I need help, I'll ask. So please also no backseating. That's important because I will be getting frustrated enough on my own. So I don't think I also need that here. John, have you decided where to go? Lovely. Okay, cool. Also, I decided I needed some... Hello, Neko. Welcome in. Also, I decided I needed some emotional support for today. So I don't have to do that shit alone. It also means that's the first time I actually have table decoration. Hi. Say hello to little Hornet, who will vibe with me today. The funny thing is on go. Okay, wait a second. I actually need to show you that. The thing is, really, you should have pet Hornet, not me. Hornet is actually a little rigged model, and I need to show you something because it's fucking funny. I need to show you one toggle that model has because it's funny. Yeah. Also didn't know the item could do that too. Wait a second. No, it can't. Okay, it's just a model. But yeah, the model has a little toggle, which is kind of cute. But yeah, we have little Hornet chilling with me here today. Yeah. Okay. Before I talk too much other shit, let's do two things. Technology. Yep, nice. First off, and the other thing, of course, because I can't game without it. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, shit broke. I fucking hate it. This is... Life really hates me today. Let me fix shit real quick. Man. Okay. Where's the problem? Where's the problem then? Tell me, YouTube Studio, where's the problem? Yeah, select. Ah! Oh, hi! Oh, people! Wait, give me... here, the fancy new alert! Eliamakis, Matt, hi! Welcome in! Thank you for the follow! I did not expect that. Hi, welcome in. Glad you joined me being an absolute Hollow Knight noob today. Oh, by the way, I didn't give you guys game sound. I am on the best fucking player ever. Pro gamer. Move going strong today. But hi, welcome in. Glad to have you. Oh, I suck at Hollow. Glad. I said it at the beginning of in my little chat screen. I never touched Hollow Knight. I know barely anything about it. Like, all I know is it's half-ass lore knowledge that means nothing to me. So yeah, this will be not good. Also, I'm playing with a controller because it feels like the you know, logical thing, but I'm also bad at playing with controller. Also, hi, hello, my queen, welcome in. Also, tell me if the game is too loud or something, then I can adjust things for you. In wilds beyond, they speak your name with reverence and regret. For none could tame our savage souls, yet you the challenge met. On the palest watch, you taught we changed. Base instinct were redeemed, a world you gave to bug and beast, as they had never dreamed. Interesting. Oh, I can talk. I promise I can actually talk. Oh, cutscene. Let's go! Okay, that's loud. Help! What's happening? Okay, that happened. Oh, baby! He's a baby. Pretty. Where did you... Baby? Where did we go? Whee! Ow. Ow. Okay, okay, honestly, I played for like 2 seconds earlier just to at least learn how things work. Oh, thank you. I love my new bottle too. Superhero landing! Woo! Yeah, also now new model with the good iOS tracking. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, sure. Let's go, I guess. Ha! I'm the best. Okay. Okay, I know that this is my currency, but that's also all I know. Just noticed in chat which supports pronouns. Yes, it does. I was really happy to learn that, and then I just used it. So if you guys... I think it's an extension. Haza, please correct me. So you can actually have people... Yeah, thank you for the link. You can configure your preferred pronouns, and then I can see them, or people can see them in chat, which is kind of cool. Okay. Higher beings, these words are for you alone. Your great strength marks you amongst us. Focus your soul and you shall achieve feasts of which others can only dream. Oh, that's my healing thing. Okay, okay, I got it. But I don't need healing, because I'm the fucking best. What the? Never fucking mind. Jesus. Okay. Okay, okay. That's actually going better than I thought it would, if I'm honest. Okay. What is... The which it won't allow my random noise to... Oh, that is, I think, just... What is happening? Why do I have now... Wait. Oh yeah, that's remind me after stream that I can fix that. I can fix how many lines people can write. I don't know, thought that was enough, but seemingly it isn't. Ah, fuck it. Why are you doing this to me? Ah, fuck! Ah! I'm so good at this game. Whew. Okay. 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 Okay, okay. Another weird thing. Higher, yeah, beyond this point, you entered the land of King and Creator. Step across this threshold and obey our laws. Bear witness to the last and only civilization, the eternal kingdom, Hallownest. I heard that one before. Yeah, of course I'm just knocking down that door that is... Sure that happened. Whoa! That was... That was a lot of force for such a tiny bug. Okay. Woo! Oh. It can't be good for my ankles. Do I have ankles? Bugs have ankles? Open the door! Yeah. A tiny bug, big ring. Yes. Oh, is she? Amazing. Amazing. This game makes me a bit paranoid, not gonna lie. I'm waiting for something to pop up. Dirtmouth, the fading town. Yeah. Judging bodies on Suke. Yeah, me and Hornet are judging you guys. Oh, there, traveler. I'm afraid there's only me left to offer welcome. Uptown's fallen quiet, you see. The other residents, they've all disappeared, headed down the well one by one into the caverns below. Used to be there was a great kingdom beneath our town. It's long felt a ruin, yet it still draws folk into the... Now I know why I'm struggling. That is not sentence structure I'm used to. Because guys, if you're new here and you don't know, English is not my native language, and it shows. Wealthy, glory, enlightenment. The darkness seems to promise all things. I'm sure you too seek your dreams down here. Bruh. Well, watch out. It's sick. It's a sickly air that fills the place. Creatures turn mad and travelers are robbed of their memories. Perhaps dreams aren't such a great thing after all. Ah, bench. I know bench. I know bench. Bench good. Okay. For all mapping supplies, we will be opening soon. Iselda and Cornifer. Sure. Why am I falling down shit all the fucking time? What is that? Oh, I can go up and down. That's good to know. I think myself a drink. Should I? Oh. Do we have black currant juice? Can I have a deepest abyss? Do you use it? Inspect. A stone door with a simple lock. Okay, so I actually need a key for that. Okay. Can I dash? Dashing a thing? No? Well. Okay, now we're really coming into I have no idea what I'm doing territory. Ah. Okay. That's a thing that works. The jump height irritates me. Why? That's an effort. What do wow, okay. I'm offering entertainment. That's what I'm offering. Ah, fuck. Okay, there's a door. Hey, buddy, you good? Can I talk to him? No, I seemingly can't talk to him. But yeah, I'm saving your little grub. No worries. Huh. Where am I going? I mean, obviously down, but... Okay. That's another way. Why are there so many enemies? Also, what's your problem, my guy? Holy shit, chill. Ah, damn it. Damn it! That was rude. You know that? Oh my fucking god! I'm so bad at this game. This is incredible. Oh, there's a little thingy. Okay, how am I supposed to reach you? Can I reach you? Oh. Yeah, seemingly I can't reach you yet. I'm sorry. God damn it! This is going so well. Okay. Okay. I'm a bit scared. I don't know where we are. Ah, fuck it. Fuck. Away. Man. Come here. There we go. Okay. Oh, God. There we go. Oh, it's very pretty, but it's also a bit scary. Oh, damn it. Nope, nope, nope. Ah! Oh, good thing I can heal myself or I would be fucked. I think I'm not doing that bad for, you know, not knowing what I'm doing. Okay. I will never find any way back. Will I get a double jump at some point? Is that a thing? Because otherwise it's impossible to reach anything, right? Okay, and wall jump. I know that this is also... Where am I? And enter? My Temple of the Black Egg.
Nah, me nobis.
Hello there. Kenobi. Without, please. Hello there. How delightful to meet another traveler on these forgotten roads. You're a short one, but you've a strong look about you. I'm Quirrell. I've something of an obsession with uncharted places. To each their own, my guy. The ancient kingdom holds fascinating mysteries, and one of the most intriguing of them is standing right before us. Sorry, do you wear a mask made of another bug? Huh? A great stone egg lying in the corpse of an ancient kingdom, and the egg, is it warm? It certainly gives off a unique air. Sure. Can it be opened? There's strange marks all over it that looks like bugs. I do so love a mystery, and who knows what other marvels lie even deeper below us. Sure, Quirrell. You do you. Whee! Why can I jump this high? This is ridiculous. I don't know where. Oh, it's the other direction. Never mind, I know where I am. Oh my, no! Fuck. Man. Fucking bullshit. Oh, I don't have a death counter, I just realized. Should I have a death counter instead of... Oh, I need to punch myself? Sure. God. Yeah, I should have made a death counter, honestly. If someone knows how I can very, very quickly make a death counter here, that would be cool. Then I'll add one. Oh! Hi, hello, hello. Yes, yes, I'm playing a game I absolutely cannot play just because. Ah! Okay, okay, okay. That feels like some progress. Nope. No, I can't. Wow, that was rude. Okay, cool, I guess. Is this where it came from? Oh, oh! I don't want to fight a boss. I don't want to. Do I have to? That looks like a boss fight I'm not ready for. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, okay. Okay. It's not even a cool real boss. It just hates me. Now that's gonna be fun. I don't know how to play. Man. Okay. Okay, guys, give me a second. I think a death counter is very much needed, and I probably know a relatively quick way to set one up. Ba, 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 ba. Give me a minute. Wanna wow, wanna wow, wanna wow, wow. How are you doing today? How was your week? Do you have cool weekend plans? Talk to me while I'm trying to set things up. At least let me see if I'm actually able to do this easily. If I've understood things after dealing with so much shit today. Planning for a trip. Where are we going? Where are you going? No, I actually have no idea. Wah, 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 wah. I can do this. That 2 days is ridiculous, by the way. That is wow. Uh... Up. Hmm. Hmm. I'm trying to do this quickly. But maybe I can't. What is OBS doing in the meantime? That is... No. Hmm. Hello. Not good. I'm trying now how to set up a death counter because final needed. Hmm. Johnny, what are you doing? Okay, let me now see if things actually work. Also, it's not about I don't like that. It's about making it easier so you don't have to pin and repin everything all the time because that's so annoying. Okay. That is... Okay, that is a bit weird, but sure, we were rolling with it, I guess. Sorry for the delay. I should have I actually should have thought about that beforehand, but I didn't. So now we all have to deal with that. Oh well. But also this is okay, but that does nothing now, right? Ah! Nice. Okay, okay, let me make that bigger at least. Okay, we have a death counter now, everyone. Yeah, putting that here seems like the best move, actually. Okay, only mods can use... Wait. Only mods can use the exclamation point death to actually make it go up. So that's it. Oh, there's my drink. Perfect. We have a death counter. Let me check if I can. This is your job. Oh well. Yeah, that looks also better. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, oh, Catchybill, I need to show you something. Okay, how am I doing that? Okay. I told you today that the thing is actually a little model. Let me show you something. I showed it to the others before, so look at it. Look at it. Hi, so. Yeah, that's a little short toggle. It's kind of cute. Okay. Whew. Okay, now we have a death counter, exclamation point death. I have 2 deaths. Not happy about that. Ah, fuck. Oh my fucking god. Oh my, this went so much better earlier. What the fuck? Oh! I found the first big boss thingy. Drinking. I have a drink. Does that count? Delicious. Why do I have to fight myself? Yet that one. I don't want to fight it. Do I have to? What? Don't me? Why would you say something like that? Don't tell me that. You're so mean. Don't think you could. Man. How am I even supposed to? Huh? Okay, this is the rest of the stream. It's me trying to fight that thing. I hope you guys have time. Yeah, it's a big boy and I literally have no idea what to do. Go away. So much power, so much power. Oh my god, I mean, I just had fried noodles, so I can't argue, but man, sushi. No, I'm not a player, I'm a puppeteer. No, I don't play a puppeteer, yeah. Okay, any tip on how to deal with that thing? Like, what am I supposed to do with that one, huh? Oh, fucking hell. Okay. I hate this game. I will never continue this game because this is where I will be stuck. Try to keep it in center. If you smash, you pull back. What do you mean pull back? Huh? I'm way to walk back a bit. That's enough? That sounds wrong. Sure. Hello, welcome in. Welcome in watching me being bad at this game. Oh, damn it. Fuck. Okay, I got a few hits in, I guess. Practice makes us shut up. I'm not the person for that sentiment. That's the reason why I never play Souls-like or a lot of roguelike or roguelite games. I just fucking can't. I just literally fucking can't with this in. Gave up after 20. That actually sounds absolutely like what will happen today. Oh my god. If I also would just use the correct buttons, that would help. Fuck! Fuck! Man! That was a good one. Wow. Okay. Sorry guys, can't play today. I have things to do. I have things to do. The thing is suffering. Yeah, I'm not a person for trial and error. Ah, fuck. Hey, let's fucking go. Easy fucking peasy first try. First try. And no one can. Jesus, I hate it here. Someone better clip that. Bye, little guy. Bye, little guy. Hope you're worth it. Wait, this is where... Did I came from here? Or no? No. 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 Mines. Oh, that's the other... That's where the other cute one is. Yes, yes, please praise me. I need it. Bury my mother pale and slight. Bury my father with his eyes shut tight. Bury my sisters 2 by 2. And when you're done, let's bury me too. Mila, are you okay? Do you know that one? It's one of my favorites. We can sing something else if you like. You start singing our joy in. Baby. What are you down here for? If you came to get wealthy, just look around. Your minds are bursting with riches. There's plenty for everyone. Just grab a pick, join in. I don't think that works like that, little one, but sure. Have fun. Oh, oh. Oh, elevator, huh? Okay. I have no idea where I'm going. I also am pretty sure I shouldn't be here. Or at least not yet. Why is this not breaking? I probably can't do that yet. Sure. Okay, that means I actually really can't continue here. Okay, sure. I have no moves at all. I can't do anything at the moment. Okay. been here already? Oh, so no, I don't have a map. I have nothing yet. I know that the guy is somewhere here, but also yes, my pronouns are she, they, them. Ah, fuck. Wait, I've been here already. At least that kind of. Oh my fucking god! Thank you, thank you. I'm drinking the water. Okay, I've been here already. That doesn't help at all. Oh my... Leave me alone! Oh yeah, I've been... yes, I do. Oh! Does it still say... I changed that everywhere. At least I thought I changed it everywhere. So, and I can't change it now. Oh well, yeah, it's they, them. I thought I'd change it everywhere, but hey. Oh, yeah, I stopped here and I didn't go further down. Now I remember. I remember things. I remember things. I remember shit. Where's this? The Pilgrim's Way. Travelers of Hallowness descend through verdant wilds and fungal groves to the city at the kingdom's heart. Their all wishes shall be granted, all truth shall be... Ah! No! What's your fucking problem? Nah, no, get fucked. Absolutely not. We're not doing this. Okay. Okay, we're just going... Ah, Cornifer! Cornifer! Hi! Give me a map! Oh, there you are. I know that guy. I actually know that guy. Come down to explore these beautiful ruins, don't mind me. I have a fondness for exploring myself. Getting lost and finding your way again is a pleasure like no other. Hey, you're weird. We're exquisitely lucky you would... Talk for yourself. I'm a cartographer by trade and I'm working on mapping this area. Would you like to buy a copy? Yes! Oh my god! I don't know if life is now actually better. A map can be useful, but it alone won't show you where you are. If you've not the head for directions, that's... Okay, can I now actually... no, I drank. Okay. Does that mean if I now go upstairs, can I get a map? Can I get a compass? Yeah, I'm having so much fun. So much fun. I've never had so much fun in my life with a game. I have no idea where I am. There we go. Give me a compass. Found your husband. Please give compass. Otherwise, I will cry. Iselda, I will cry. Don't test me. Hi! Hello!
Bapanada.
Come to my map, have you? It's really my husband you should be dealing with. But what a surprise, he's headed down below. Okay, honestly, I get why so many streamers I watch are like, maybe you should leave him. He'll pop back occasionally to deliver new maps for the store, but I do wish he'd spend a little more time up here. I've not much interest in retail myself. Now let's see what you... Yeah. I don't have enough. I don't have enough for the I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm so fine. Ah, I understood it. Don't mega mind me. Also, but very good first chat. Hi, welcome in. But I'm already sad enough, okay? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you That didn't happen. Isn't capitalism the biggest enemy in all? I was got about... Yeah! How about say that quicker? Even if you would give me a tip, I don't think it would actually help me. As in, I'm not good enough at this at all that this tip would actually, you know, do anything. Bye, Polly. Yeah, exactly. I just started, so yeah, I have no idea what the stupid hitting your own ghost mechanic is. It's fucking annoying, that's what it is, because that thing can actually fuck you over again, which why would you do this? There we go. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, I guess. Please, if you answer then in-game mechanics, so I don't get spoiled. Because I honestly know shit about lore. Oh my god, one more, only one more, and then I can buy a stupid fucking compass. Come here, come here, come here, bitch, come here. You fucking go. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Stupid bitch-ass game. Also, I posted that already on socials today, but I know that there's a whole debate of people should just, you know, get better at the game and stop complaining that shit is hard in context of Silksong, and I'm sitting here like, how about you just let people complain that the game is hard, even if they still want to play it? Like, how about don't be a bitch about it? People can find a game hard that you don't think is hard. Like, what is that? What kind of stupid elitist shit is that? Silksong is hard. Yes. If people who are good at Hollow Knight open Silksong and are like, holy shit, that's hard. Yeah.
Bapanada.
But I'm for leaving the top. Oh yeah, what do you actually have? Okay, compass. Quill. You need this if you want to update your map. Bench pin. Cocoon pin, vendor pin, hot spring. Oh, cool. Yeah, well. Okay. Okay. Wait, wait, no. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, I should read. That would help me. I can only do that on bench. Okay. Noted. Equip. Cool. Oh, we're now moving! Nice, let's go. Quality just peaked immediately. Okay. Okay, so I need to go right. Question. Do I have to go left to the fire thingy, or is there a way on the right for me to continue? Just for orientation reasons. Oh yeah, that's also the thing. Gotta go. Yeah. If I need help or tip, I will ask. Otherwise, please don't backlead. Thank you. Does the game have fall damage? Genuine question. Ah, fuck. No fall damage. Oh, well, at least something, I guess. Okay, bitch. Yeah, the... How is that supposed to work? No, there's a different left. Oh, yeah, I thought the... Can you... I can't parry? I don't think I can parry. Can I? Can I parry? I have no idea what I'm doing. This is also this is my personal pet peeve with a lot of games is the genuine lack of instructions. And I mean that in the way of, hey, can you at least teach me like basic shit? I'm mad when games don't tell me at least like basic. What was that? Oh no, I don't like it here. Nah, already pissed. Fuck off. Parry Disney and pull out a gun. That would be so cool. Oh no, why you got babies? Why you got small ones? That's fucked up and evil. Why would you do this to me? Oh my fucking god. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, get fucked, bye. I hate it here. Yeah, I need to read chat. There are actually things going on in chat today. I'm not used to this. I'm happy, but I don't. Yeah, basic instructions. Like, what is, like, how do I jump? How do I attack, etc. Just, you know. There is a reason why we started to implement that shit. There's a reason games aren't as fucked up anymore as they were ages ago. And a big part of that reason is accessibility. And if you want to tell me that you can't, that your game is not as cool, yeah, go fuck. There's a difference between exploration, which is fine. There's a difference between exploration and leaving you completely alone, in my opinion. Which are also just easy things you can decide to have a toggle. That's also a thing I do not understand in a lot of games. You can make a game like also hard. Now get fucked, get fucked. Oh my god. I can't even heal myself. This is going amazing. Oh my god. I did not press the right button. Fucking hate it here. Do I need to get my life back? Is that thing I actually have to do? Or can I just say fuck it and continue? Probably not. Also, how am I supposed to kill that thing then? At least you got to the shade. Oh, great. Again, you choose. Man. Utter bullshit. Utter fucking bullshit. I mean, I'm broke either way. Am I really losing money? Jesus. Okay, back to what I wanted to say. I think having a few toggles to make like the... I just know this is hollow. 19K. Oh, get fucked. Holy shit. The noise is annoying me. First off, I don't think it takes anything away from a game to have like a few introduction toggle options, like the slight hands-off tutorial doesn't make the game easier, but also I don't think wanting a slightly easier game is a bad thing. Like, why the fuck is that a bad thing? I'm a big guardian of the easy mode and the story modes, and I get that this game has a different approach. That's okay. But why the fuck do I have to suffer? Like, what is the gain in suffering? That's a thing I do not understand. Also, yes, I'm playing Hollow Knight because I never played a Hollow Knight at all. And I was like, I had to fight with tech all day. I need to do something else. And then I thought like, hey, play a game I will absolutely be bad at. Yeah. There's always an easy mod. Oh my god! You only take 4 damage and that's it? You need 4 hits and that's it? That was the whole struggle? I fucking hate it here. Come on. We have places to be, come on. Fucking hated you. Okay, but I also can't continue here. Yeah, it's also with shit like Elden Ring. God, I would love to actually have a chance myself to explore like the... Wow! Fucking rude. To explore like the Elden Ring lore and all, but I will never be able to. Because I'm horrid at this game and I actually do not have the will or the intention to deal with that. Okay, it's sad I was able to go further there, but there was nothing, so I assume I will continue on the right. Oh, I will not. Because I'm seemingly unable. Okay. Oh. Oh! Money! I did not want to go to the weird door, but sure. Well, good thing there's no... Fuck! No, no, oh god, I was like, oh my god, can I get up here? That would be so fucked. Oh my god, money! Secret tunnel! Secret tunnel! No! 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 What the... is it doing this to me? Oh, fuck, okay. No! Okay, well. It took me about 110 hours to get to 112% on this game. And yeah, I will never invest 100 hours in this game. Never fucking ever. I honestly do not have the dedication for that. Oh! Oh well. Bam, 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 bam! Fucking hate it here. Yeah, I don't know. The thing is, the more I'm thinking about my gaming habits, the more I'm like, am I a good gamer? Am I actually good at this? Do I actually like games? Because a lot of times I'm sitting here like, nah, fuck that shit. There we go. At least I have a map and the way isn't completely horrid. So. Ah, fuck. Okay. Okay. I mean, is that the one that I know legends of how fucking horrid this stupid little thing is? Oh, that was... I was like, oh yeah, that was easy. Well... seemingly not. Because they fucking hate me. There we go. Holy shit. That was not that hard, actually. That was manageable. Okay, can I... Can I know, actually... I would like to have a bench game. What do we think about benches, huh? Like in general. Is that a thing we would like? Okay, that is... Bench! Bench and hot spring. This is literally the best thing ever. But now that thing is back. But it doesn't matter because I can just walk. Okay, that's cool. Oh, I don't like that sound. What is that? Okay. Okay, I can't go up there yet. Okay. 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 I hate those mosquito thingies. Literally the worst thing they programmed ever. which is probably a lie. There's probably 100 million thousand things worse they did, but hey. Secret tunnel. No. 600's got a patch that nerfed 2 bosses. Nice. Ah, fuck. Okay. Timing? Not in this house. There we go. Nope. Okay. Where am I? I also like that it gives me shit I can't read. Wait, have I get fucked. My god. Okay. Come on. Come on, little guy. There we go. Okay. That did something. Thank you. I'm drinking. I'm really not drinking enough. By the way, I love games when the character is actually looking at the map when I'm looking at a map. I just kind of like that. Oh, that's that way! Okay. Yo, environmental damage! Ah, damn it. Why are you so jumpy? Jumpy is my job, my guy. Wait, I haven't... having like paths here, I don't know yet. Is this where I would need a quill? Or how does the quill work? Like, genuine question, how does the quill work? Because I know I've been here already, but it's not on the map. That confuses me. Also, good thing I did not see that hat pad. Good thing I limited the hat pad so much. Okay. Ha! That confuses me. Okay. Okay, but that means I've been here. I also should actually look at my monitor. That would help. But yeah, question. What are things I actually should get from Iselda, like, early on? What is, like, actually useful? Quill. Okay. Yeah, what the quill actually does, because I'm walking through something, I have no map. And I'm like, do I need a quill for that? Headpad needs a sound effect. Nah. Okay, theoretically, I get why Headpad could need a sound effect, but I said that in my debut, or did I say that in my debut thingy? The thing is, I will never have like sound alerts or anything, because I'm autistic to a level that I'm very sensitive to sudden sounds, and I do not need that. Additionally to everything else that's going on. So yeah, no sound, so no additional sound alerts or anything for you guys. Because I'm actually also just not a streamer who's like, yeah, I'm doing that stuff for the entertainment of others, which I get it, but no. There we go. Ah! Yeah, I now know how the two little things work.
Bapanada.
You need this if you want to update your map with new areas to explore. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay, so now I need to use the other bench down there so it actually works, right? Does this... Did I understand that correctly? Okay. That means I have to go the whole way somewhere right again. I won't remember where I need to go. But here we go. Here we go again. Wah, 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 wah. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. This where the... No, that's somewhere else entirely. I hear the little guy, but I don't see the little guy. That confuses me. Also no? Huh? Where was I? No. I can't find the bench again. I'm so done. This is it. This is it. It's so over. I mean, I could also just die and then it would show me where the bench was, but hey. Ah, fuck. There we go. Just leave me alone! No. I'm so confused, guys. I am so confused. Didn't see you there. Money, money, money. Must be funny in a rich man's world. No, that was... Okay. That's where I came from. Can't go up here yet. I'm so confused. Where was my... Where's my bench? Where's my hot spring? Oh, that was just... Huh? Okay, I also can't get up there. Nope. Guys, I'm lost. I'm so lost. Ah, fuck. Damn it! Whew, okay. Hello. Ah, fuck! Oh my god. Was that a random Probably. Maybe. No, okay, no, honestly. Where the fuck is this? Where the fuck is that hot spring? There's a bench. Okay. Not the one I planned on, but it's a bench, I guess. A toll machine with the symbol of a stat. Sure. Okay. Oh my god! Greetings, little one. It's been an age since I last heard the ringing of the station bell. It echoed down the stagways and called me to you. I've grown stiff and tired over these many years and I've forgotten much, but the sound of the bell will always call to me. Okay, Pavlov. The stagways stretch the depth of Hollow Nest. If you want to travel them, hail me from the platform. I will take you where you need to go. Dirt mouth? Nice. Haha! Oh, that's so cool. That is cool. Oh, here's an elevator? To where? Where am I? Oh, there's a... Okay. Okay, noted.
Bapanada.
Yeah, bench pins sounds actually like a banger idea. What are the others? New additions to the shop. Hot spring pin. I mean, in that case, a bench pin and the hot spring pin are the same thing, so... Ah. Oh my god, we're learning. We're learning. Oh god. Ah! My back. There we go. Hello. Wait, can I? This place, we need a surface, I believe. There's a town here. Okay. Yeah, I'm searching. Oh my god. Ow! So how's it already been 2 hours? Okay. Okay, so is that on the left the actual hot spring bench? Oh. Oh my god, leave me alone! Okay. Why is there another one of those? Can I ignore you? I seemingly can. Ah, damn it. Ow. There we go. Chill, please. Where am I? I'm so confused. Okay. How about you don't do this? Don't do this. Okay, okay. Ah, fuck, okay. No, ugh. Okay. Not that bad for a first approach, I suspect. Could be worse. Okay. Oh my fuck, leave me alone! My god. Wow, immaculate gameplay here. Never forget, I'm an actual pro gamer. Remember, my first approach killed me without doing any damage. See, that actually means I'm better than you. That's all I'm hearing. Okay. There we go. I need to clean my controller. My left stick is actually sticky for some reason and I don't know why. Ow! That was a bit unnecessary. Okay. Damn it. Ah, damn it. Fuck. What is that? No. What is your problem, mate? Mate, chill. Holy shit, what's your problem? Ah, fuck. Fuck! No, forgive him. No. Man! Jesus Christ. Don't get on my nerves. Hey, but by now it's almost not away. Yeah, that felt close. I need to be careful not to let him trap me in a corner. I think that's the biggest problem. God! Stop respawning every damn time. Bit obsessed, huh? There we go. Sorry, dude. Don't have time for you. Okay. Also, I can't believe that a Hollow Knight of all games is upping my my usual viewer average. So, thanks, I guess, for you guys watching me suffer. Glad it's entertaining enough. There we go. Okay, here we go again. Okay. My gosh. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Fuck. Damn it. Okay, okay. Oh. Man. Come on. Come here. Come here. Put. There you go. We're getting somewhere, I guess. I mean, we're going places, not college, but places. Yeah. Whoa. At least I'm getting efficient in killing those guys, so that's something, I guess. Okay, okay. I'm locking in. I'm locking in. Oh, God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh. Let me actually move my fingers. Oh my God. Professional in killing butt pedestrians. Yeah, it seems like it. Okay. Let's try this again, I guess. Okay. Phase one, not a problem anymore. Oh God, I should actually jump. Ah, damn it. Ah! My God, how many times are we supposed to do this shit? My guy, please, please. Damn it. Fuck. Oh my god, why am I dying? Am I missing something? Okay. City crest. What is a city crest? What a huh? Huh? Wait, what? Huh? Huh? Stone slab bearing the crest of Hall has insert on the back that would fit into a Let me read shit. What the fuck's wrong with you? Okay. It would fit into a oh! Well, if I would remember now... Oh my god, I'm rich. I'm so rich. Well, if I would could remember now where that thing was with the... Oh, wait. Wasn't that actually just upstairs? That doesn't look good. That does not look like I should be here. What is this? Where am I? Hi? Bench. Bench good. Ancestral mound.
Namino.
Oh, who's that creeping out of the darkness? My, you're looking grim. A strange empty face and a wicked-looking weapon. Something important has drawn you to the Hallowsness corpse, but I won't ask what. Perhaps the reason you found me is because you need my help. Say no more, friend. I'm going to give you a gift, a nasty little spell of my own creation. It's perfect for a little one like you. Okay. Huh? What are we doing? Ow! Vengeful Spirit. Tap B to unleash the spirit. Spells will deplete... Huh? Where did you throw me? Oh, if you woke me at last, apologies. Perhaps I should have warned you about the power of the spell. I was watching over you as you slept, but it seemed you have slipped yourself away. Fucking hated you. Now you wake up wondering whether you would do me a small favor. Not as a repayment for my gift, of course, simply because we're now friends. Bitch. You see, a horrid great beast has made its home into the heart of this temple. Such disrespect. It would be grateful if you were to venture deep in and slay it for me. It's a hardy creature, but with your new power, you're more than matched for it. Good luck with this small favor, my friend. You're a bitch and I will have your head. I shouldn't be here. I didn't want to be here. Okay. But I like that it's just wait. Huh? Oh, I didn't see that there was something in the way. Oh, oh my god, that was... Okay, that's an attack. Okay, noted. Okay. Okay, I understood. Oh my god! Oh my god. Wait, now how do I heal myself now? Can I even heal myself right now? Or is that now a no, not existing thing? I'm confused. Oh! Tap versus hold. See, this is shit where I'm like, game, you could have told me that. Oh, is that the... Oh god. Help! Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So now the game explained to me how I can kill the other thing. Okay, cool. Okay. Interesting mechanic, actually. Like, genuinely interesting. Ugh. Here we go again. Na, 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 na. Oh my god. Have good luck. There we go. There we go. No. Hey, Shade, come on. Come on, we got things to do. Oh, wow! What kind of bitch behavior is that? Are you kidding me? Now I can't. Great. God, help! Holy... I will try that one last time. And if not, then I will accept for today that I'm getting too unfocused and too tired for this. I think that's fair. Maybe I'm also just not taking damage now from like stupid little mobs. That would also fucking help. Come on. There we go. Nice, there we go. Yeah, come here. Put. Come on. Thank you. Ah! Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? The whole fucking time, I did not fall into anything. But now? Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Wow! Wow! That was pathetic. That was pathetic. Absolutely fucking not. Yeah, that didn't count. That absolutely did not count. One more game strikes again. Yeah, kinda. Wow. Okay. That was stupid. Okay. Take it, I guess. Oh, one vengeful spirit. I already forgot that this thing is here and probably actually helps me. Oh, there's more to discover, okay. Oh god, oh, that was stupid. There we go. Money, money, money. Temporary life. See? Now we're talking. Come on. Come. So, temporary lives, a lot of money. That should work now, right? Or not. Oh, it's down. Oh my god, it's down. It's down. No! What did it down from? That was stupid. At least tell me that thing stays dead. Please. Please. At least I just... Yeah, it's hard to focus on those little guys and trying to hit them and not to get hit. And also just trying not to... And on the other hand, trying not to get hit by the stupid fireballs. Bullshit. Absolute fucking bullshit. Also, yeah, I have no idea what happened and what I died from. Come on. Come. Got places to be. Thank you. There we go. Come on. Okay. At least that's done. Inspect, okay. Soul catcher. What's that? Used by shamans to draw more soul from the world. Mm-hmm. I did it. You happy? Poor thing. It must have been terrified of you. It used to be quite docile, but the rancid air in this cavern filled it with some ancient rage. Still, you did what had to be done. You have my gratitude, of course. We both know you wouldn't have made it through without that spell of mine. Look, the gate has opened. I'm sure you're eager to move on. Farewell and have faith. For whatever you seek, it will find you. Can I? Bench. Fuck. Fucking hate it here. Why not Oh! Sorry I missed you. If you're feeling lost, why not pop up into our stone butchers? A map of this area available now for an excellent price. Oh my, thank you, Cole. Wait. Nah, I'm just getting up. Getting out of here! I don't want to be here anymore. Oh, ba-ba-da. Oh my god. If I'm now dying on a stupid bug on the way up, I don't know. There you go. Hi, hello. I found something. Does that work? Wait, but I didn't I? Can't I use that? Why can't I use that? Huh? Bullshit. Bullshit! Hello.
Bapanada.
Okay. What are blue cocoons? I have no idea. Stagway pin. That sounds reasonable. And hot spring pin. That also sounds reasonable. What is it? Oh, that's the temporary life thingies. Sure. These markers on to the shop. You can use them to mark interesting spot. Okay. Yeah. Let me take those. There we go. Man, so much stuff. All the pins, yeah. Okay. Okay, but that means now I know how to kill that other weirdo. God, I love the stack. Honestly, I think the fast travel in Silk Song is a bit cuter, but hey, I think we all know that that one is pretty cute. Okay. That was on the left. Okay. Silk Song Doggo is very cute. I agree. No, leave me alone. No, fuck off. Okay. Okay. Ah, so it was just here. Oh well. Change. Okay. Well, let's try to kill the other one. Wait, nope, no, that's not the right way. This is somewhere I don't want to go. Oh, maybe I want to go. But I don't know what's there, so I don't trust it. Okay. It doesn't look better, but at least it looks familiar, I guess. There we go. Easy peasy. Oh, wait. Wait, huh? Ah, there we go. And then it's the upper one. If I remember correctly. I could have had that so much easier, but no. I really decided to make this the most complicated way ever. Oh well. Okay, my guy. Ah, fuck. Wrong direction. Ah, there we go. I assume water bed. I mean, it's bubbling. It's probably not good. Yeah, hissing water is a bit, difficult. You don't have a map for this area. Amazing. Green path. Well, that sounds... Those were cute. Okay. Oh, wow, that's a noise. Holy shit. Question. How does this game, even... How does this game, save? Ah, damn it. Oh my god, I should have waited. Bench. Bench. Mostly when you bench or... Bench? No bench. Yeah, okay, then I would like a bench, actually. That would be amazing. I mean, that... Ah, ha, 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 bench. Map updated, and I don't have a map. Okay. That were 2.5 hours. I think I'm done. I think I'm actually done. Holy shit. Let me, Ew. Okay, I'll stop. There we go. Got my hands back. Also, bye, Hornet. Holy shit! I'm so done. Weirdly enough, that was more fun than I expected. I expected a lot worse. No Hornet. No Hornet gun. No Hornet. Hornet deserves her time off. Okay. That was weirdly more fun than I expected. I thought I would struggle more, but it's actually kind of cute. So yeah, I might probably continue this game at one point. Yada yada yada. We'll see. I think it's at this point more a problem of schedule than everything else. Okay. Here, thank you for the follows. Thank you for all the new people who were here. That was really cool of you. Tomorrow at 9 p.m. CET, which is 3 p.m. EST, which is 4 a.m. JST. Like, I'm so sorry, my guys. I'm so sorry, my guys. But in a very early morning for the Australians and the New Zealand people. I'm having here my friend Charlotte from the channel Charlotte's Con. I can type station for my new Hydra fixation, and we're talking about League of Legends. I don't know what that means, but we're talking about League of Legends, so you shouldn't miss that. Also, I have a lot of VODs. I have a lot of VODs uploaded because I'm behind on my schedule. I have a Discord. Oh yeah, and Sunday at 3 p.m. we continuing Chants of Senna because I really want to go through this fucking game. Okay, now the important stuff. Oh. Let me filter some shit. Oh my god, perfect. I'm reading you over to Snack Gregory. Yes, same way typed. Snack Gregory. Who is also playing Hollow Knight and is fighting Grim, it seems. So from one snake to the other, I'm raiding over, because that feels wanted. Oh my god, it's a snake with a top hat and a monocle and tea. This is fucking perfect. Okay, guys, thank you for hanging out. Wish Gregory a happy snack raid and enjoy the bit of the new ending screen music. See you tomorrow!